Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will be teaching you how to turn off your character AI censorship easily. So make sure you do that if you are 18 plus. So what you're going to be doing is you need to be heading over to your if you are creating your account, basically it asks for your um, age, right? So the only thing that you can do to turn the censorship off is provide a fake email ID, I'm sorry, date of birth. So that is going to be basically considered illegal, but it is unethical as well. But for some reason, if you are trying to do it, you can simply put a date which is basically not yours. So make sure to keep it somewhere around in 90s, of course, and yeah, it is going to be automatically be removing the censorship. I hope this helps. Take care and see you guys in the next video.